If your PlayStation 5 is stuck on the loading screen, you can follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Here is a straightforward guide to help you calibrate your console. Step 1. Restart the console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. Step 2. Boot in safe mode. To access safe mode, turn off the console, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. In safe mode, you can perform various troubleshooting steps. Step 3. Update system software. In safe mode, select the option to update the system software. This will ensure your console is running the latest version, which may fix bugs causing the loading screen issue. Step 4. Rebuild database. While still in safe mode, choose the option to rebuild the database. This process can help fix corrupted data and improve system performance, potentially resolving the loading screen problem. Step 5. Factory reset. If the issue persists, consider performing a factory reset. This will erase all data on the console, so make sure to back up your data first. In safe mode, select the option to reset the console to its original settings. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact PlayStation support for further assistance.